Hello, everybody, and welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we are doing another quick and easy recipe because this is literally you just throw everything in a pot and you're done. Kind of, almost. Semi. Anyways, what we're making today is chicken jambalaya. Yum. This is my mum's recipe. Thank you, Mum. Alright, so let's have a look over here at what we need. What we need is the recipe book to tell us the measurements because I have forgotten. Alright, so what you need is 400 grams of chicken breast fillets, and you need 4 slices of bacon chopped and 100 grams of chorizo. You also need 30 mils of oil, 5 mils of black pepper, 5 mils of oreganum, preferably dried, but again, I don't have dried oreganum. And then 5 mils of cayenne pepper, unless you are a wuss, then less. Alright, you also have 1 chicken stock cube that I have already dissolved in boiling water. And you need 1 green pepper. Where's the green? Oh, we're using a red pepper. A red pepper. There you go. And 200 grams of mushrooms. 200 grams of rice. 2 medium-sized onions. And that's it. That's everything, right? Oh, and 2 garlic cloves. I need to do this instead of this. But yeah, that's everything. Oh, and also that chicken stock is dissolved in 500 mils of water. Alright, cool. So, I've forgotten the first thing I have to do. Heat the oil. Put it in the middle. So you pop your oil in. And let's turn that up. Alright, and then what you do is you gently fry your onions. Your peppers, and I think your cayenne pepper. Your garlic and your cayenne pepper. Throw those in. Well, it's stuck in there now. Ooh. And the garlic. Yum. Alright, cool. Alright, now we throw in our chicken. Yum. And our bacon and chorizo. Add the mushrooms, because I'm guessing those were supposed to go in with the peppers and everything. But Mother dear kindly neglected to tell me when to add the mushrooms. So we got everything going. It smells so nice. Alright, now we add the rice. Uncooked. It just goes in there. You stir it in. Get your dissolved chicken stock and pour that over. Add your pepper. Boom. Add your oregano. Boom. And then where's the lid? You'll cover it. I don't know what's happening there. You'll cover it and then you leave it to simmer until the rice is cooked. Done. That's it. Easy as pie. See you when that's cooked. Alright, cool. It's done. The rice has cooked. The whole meal is finished. It's as easy as that. This is such an easy recipe. Alright, let's have a paste. Because I'm just going to take a little scoop out of the pot. You want to see what it looks like when it's done? That's it. It is all nice and cooked. That rice is fully cooked. Delicious. Truly tasty. Right, let's get in there. Let's get a piece of sausage. Ow, burnt my fingers. Ow. It's so tasty. It is really, really yum. It's such an easy recipe and it's so good. So, highly suggest you try it. Let me know if you do. So that's that for that video. Quick and easy jambalaya. If you like this video, let me know. Leave a thumbs up. Let me know what you thought of this video down in the comment section below. And if you would like to support me and this channel, please subscribe. Also, let me know if there's anything you want to see me try to make. Like, I'm happy to make anything. Alright, have a fantastic day, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!